Hello guys, kakatapos lang nga po nating ma-interview. I was invited by some of the second year financial management students ng ibang university. Hindi ko na lang babanggitin. But naging test subject nila ako or kumbaga na-interview lang nila ako to talk about a particular subject matter sa kanilang academic research. Now, eto po, para makatulong tayo sa mga kapwa nating estudyante, no, especially finance students. Kung alimbawa lang naman, no, mai-invite nyo ko or mai-interview or magiging guest no or speaker no, actually I do it for free, no, even the tutoring of these students, no. So bakit, no, dahil gusto nga natin makatulong, makapagbigay ng value sa inyo. Kaya if ever lang naman, no, pwede nyo kontakin dito sa TikTok ko or on my other socials, no, for you to be able to be in line, no, and connected with me. So kaya again, yun lang, and see you for more contents like this, and yun, looking forward sa ating lahat.